Welcome back to Artos Hub, where we explore the most exciting and unconventional vehicles imagined for 2026. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest concepts yet, the 2026 Corvette pickup. This vehicle takes the legendary Corvette DNA and transforms it into a high-performance pickup truck, blending sports car agility with utility and rugged practicality. The 2026 Corvette pickup starts with a sleek aerodynamic profile that immediately commands attention. Corvette's signature low-slung design is reimagined with a pickup bed at the rear, maintaining a sense of speed and performance while offering the versatility of cargo space. Every curve and line has been sculpted to balance aerodynamics with muscular aesthetics, making it look fast even when stationary. Under the hood, this concept pushes the boundaries of Corvette engineering. Powered by a hybrid V8 system, it's designed to deliver blistering acceleration, instant torque, and exhilarating performance on both highways and off-road trails. While exact specifications are unconfirmed, this concept suggests a fusion of Corvette's sports car pedigree with a pickup's practical demands, offering a driving experience unlike any other. Inside, the Corvette pickup merges sportiness with functionality. The cabin reflects Corvette's driver-focused design, featuring high-quality materials, advanced digital instrumentation, and ergonomic seating. At the same time, it introduces practical elements like storage compartments, reinforced surfaces, and connectivity features, creating a space that's as ready for work as it is for performance driving. This concept also experiments with modular cargo solutions in the pickup bed. Reinforced panels, adjustable dividers, and optional tech-enhanced storage areas suggest that this vehicle is capable of handling more than just weekend gear. Whether it's tools, sports equipment, or adventure supplies, the Corvette pickup aims to redefine what a performance-oriented utility vehicle can carry. Every detail of this concept screams innovation. From adaptive suspension systems designed to handle both track-level speeds and rough terrain, to advanced braking and stability control systems, the 2026 Corvette pickup envisions a vehicle that can seamlessly transition between different driving environments without compromising safety or performance. In essence, the 2026 Corvette pickup challenges conventions. It's a bold statement about merging high-performance sports engineering with pickup versatility, offering a glimpse at what the future of performance utility vehicles could look like. For enthusiasts and dreamers alike, it's a vehicle that sparks imagination and excitement while remaining grounded in Corvette's iconic design language. The 2026 Corvette pickup pushes performance boundaries further than any traditional pickup. At its core, it combines Corvette's racing heritage with the functional strength of a truck. The hybrid V8 system is designed to deliver both raw power and efficiency, providing exhilarating acceleration while still being practical for everyday use. Drivers can expect instantaneous torque, seamless power delivery, and the kind of handling that makes cornering feel precise, even with a full cargo load. Suspension and chassis engineering are key to its versatility. The adaptive suspension system adjusts automatically to road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride whether cruising on the highway or tackling uneven terrain. Advanced shock absorbers, reinforced control arms, and sport-tuned components allow the pickup to maintain balance and stability without sacrificing agility. The result is a vehicle that feels planted at high speeds, but remains forgiving in off-road conditions. The pickup bed of the Corvette pickup is more than a nod to utility. It's a showcase of innovation. Modular storage options allow users to customize space according to their needs. Adjustable dividers, reinforced tie-downs, and optional tech enhancements like temperature-controlled compartments make it capable of handling everything from sports equipment to heavy-duty gear. Despite its sporty exterior, this vehicle embraces the practical functionality expected from a pickup. Inside the cabin, the Corvette pickup focuses on both driver engagement and comfort. The cockpit is designed with a driver-first mindset, featuring a digital instrument cluster, racing-inspired seating, and intuitive controls. Materials are premium, with a combination of leather, carbon fiber, and brushed metal accents. Practical touches, such as storage compartments and easy-access controls, ensure the vehicle is suitable for both daily commutes and spirited drives. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 Corvette pickup. Advanced driver assistance systems, customizable drive modes, and integrated infotainment create a modern, connected experience. Safety hasn't been overlooked, with adaptive braking systems, traction management, and stability controls ensuring that the vehicle performs reliably under various driving conditions. Aerodynamics also receive careful attention. The low front profile, sculpted sides, and rear diffuser all work together to reduce drag while maintaining aggressive aesthetics. Even the pickup bed incorporates aerodynamic considerations, with subtle spoilers and design cues that channel airflow efficiently, keeping the vehicle balanced at high speeds. What makes the Corvette pickup truly unique is its ability to merge two worlds, performance and practicality, without compromising either. This vehicle is a statement about the future of sports pickups, demonstrating that high power, precision handling, and functional utility can coexist in a single package. The 2026 Corvette pickup delivers an experience that redefines what a performance truck can be. Behind the wheel, every input feels immediate and precise. Steering is tight yet responsive, giving the sensation of driving a true sports car while maintaining the elevated perspective of a pickup. Drivers can enjoy both the thrill of high-speed straightaways and confidence in handling corners, thanks to the perfectly balanced chassis and advanced suspension systems. Even with its performance focus, the Corvette pickup doesn't compromise on utility. The bed is versatile, with integrated modular solutions to organize cargo efficiently. From transporting weekend gear to handling daily essentials, it's designed to accommodate a range of lifestyles. Optional tech features, such as smart sensors and adjustable compartments, further enhance its practicality, making it more than just a concept of raw power. Comfort inside the cabin is equally impressive. Ergonomically designed seating with adjustable support ensures long drives remain fatigue-free. Noise insulation, climate control, and premium materials provide a refined environment, blending luxury with sportiness. Every touchpoint is designed to reflect the Corvette heritage while adding the convenience expected from a modern pickup. Technology integration is seamless. Infotainment is centered around a high-resolution display with connectivity options for navigation, media, and vehicle telemetry. Driving modes can be customized to suit performance preferences or comfort needs, while advanced safety systems, including adaptive braking, lane assist, and traction control, ensure the pickup handles unpredictability with ease. The exterior design continues to impress. Aggressive lines, wide fenders, and aerodynamic accents signal performance, while the pickup bed integrates subtly into the sleek profile. Lighting elements are sharp and modern, complementing the muscular stance. Even subtle details like functional vents and spoilers are engineered to improve airflow, emphasizing that form and function coexist harmoniously. The Corvette pickup is a statement vehicle, proving that a pickup doesn't have to sacrifice excitement for utility. It combines high horsepower, advanced engineering, and practical features in a package that feels modern, yet rooted in Corvette performance legacy. Whether parked at a motorsport event or loaded for an outdoor adventure, it captures attention and sparks conversation wherever it goes. Ownership of this vehicle promises versatility without compromise. Weekend thrill rides, daily commuting, or adventure outings all are possible without giving up comfort or capability. Its design and engineering make it suitable for enthusiasts who demand more from a truck, blending excitement, functionality, and innovation seamlessly.